This is Zboy MNTBN. Go the jungle. Uy, murag gitsig jungle day awa.
Aso ko niya running through the So mangihiday ko na siya guys. So sa tanan day taga Carmen no. Mo day ni secret hideout di Kuya Day aron mangihi siya.
So noon siya day ni Jekyll ang picture ni Jerez. Hey guys, street foods with Sibs. Yo guys, libre ni Jekyll. Nindot sa dinong anata dali ba kaya lighting? Oh, diba iba din. Hi guys, good morning. I don't know what to do bitaw guys. So, wala pa sa ko'y kaligo. Then, ganaan ako maligo guys. 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, naligo ako guys. Buddy!
Hey guys, what's up? This is IDC Jers and Dad, are you mad, Dad? Like, please tell something. This is IDC Jers, I joke. So we're walking and it's so fucking hot. Nag-pajama day, may tanan day, so kainit sa kalibutan.
Wow, dato akong mga kuan. So, nakapalit og ko.
Hi, di ay kanang sir and miss kanang unsa mo ha sorry pero gusto ko bitaw kanang kuan day ko kanang IDC Jers day ko din.
Magbuhatag video sa kanang diri sa plaza ba? Kain sa unsa ba?
Kanang vlogger, YouTuber, kailan masigamana sa
Hi guys, so the video is done. Thank you Carmel for accommodating us. It was such a pleasure talaga na
And tonight guys, nandun pala kami sa so abangan nyo na lang kami so sa lahat ng mga fans out there.
Nandito, mamaya, dakoy-koy naman kami.
Ay, mga dos na lang. Namong kami so. Tigaw ako.
Pinya dia ba? Ako na. Miguel. Alin ko na tumunti ka.
What's up, this is IDC Jers and today sitting myself in the mirror though. Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. This expensive, this is red bottoms, this is wall shoes.
You still want me if I don't say I am around the old oak tree. I stay on the bus, forget about us. Watch you play with me, so I just see a yellow ribbon around the old oak tree. Hi guys, good evening. And kaninga video, puyog na akong mga high school buddies. Because karoon namin nagka-get together. So, ang kanang fun time is just, eating popcorn, talking about life.
Ay, yung video na pagod na yung buwan.
Realization time. Hey guys, it's realization time. Ako na-realize karong adlaw is that sometimes kapuyon man kita sa itong mga gipang buhat. Like for me, grabe kapoy na siya guys, karon din ako ka-edit sa akong mga videos, but no, didn't kita mo give up, no, because it isn't in our blood. Sama sa kanta ni Shawn Mendes na, but we keep on going and we find time. Yung murag ma-energize na ba para mo gana na sa tagbalik sa akong trabaho. That's it guys, this is Zboy MNTBN, it's realization time. Realization time. Yo guys, this is Zboy MNTBN signing off for this video. If you like this video, click thumbs up, tweet me at Zboy MNTBN, and anything else to add, Bea and Mary Shane.
I met Zboy.
Okay.